Okay, so in today's video I'll be showing you how we can use an abacus to improve our mental calculation, our mental mathematics, and how we can use that in day-to-day life. I'll be making separate videos on how you can step-by-step learn an abacus. In this video I'll just make a quick introduction how you can represent any number using this abacus. So first of all, this is a very old abacus. I got it in 2007. Okay, so first of all, you can see 5 white dots on this abacus. This 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the middle dot, this will be the ones place, this will be the tens, 100, 1000 and so on. So what the beads on the right hand side of this yellow dot will represent, they will be the decimal places. But for now we'll discuss only the integral values and not the decimal values. So how any value can be represented on this? First of all, we need to understand the difference between the beads below this bar and above this bar, this particular bar. So the 4 beads that we see below the bar, they represent a value 1. So because this is units place, this has a value of 1. So currently this abacus, this entire abacus is representing value 1. Before this it was 0. This position is this is seen as a 1 value. This is 3 and this is 4. So how many beads are touching the bar? That is the value that is represented. Okay. Now the beads that are above the bar, they represent a value 5. So single bead represents value 5. When this is touching this bar, since it is on the units place, so currently the abacus is representing value 5. If I add one bead which has value 1 below the bar, so together they represent a value 6. This is 8. Okay, similarly this 9 can be made here. Now for the beads on the left hand side, so this is the tens place. If one value is here like this, this will represent a value 10. If I bring this bead down, so okay, it's jammed, it's stuck. Okay, so this, now it is representing a value of 50. This is 50, this is 10, so total they make 60. So currently the abacus is representing 60 value. I can make it as 61 by making this 1 at units place touch this bar. So this is 61. Okay, I'll make it 0 and I'll show a very simple value. Okay, now it is in so 0 value for the current position. Now this is units place, tens place, thousands place, so sorry, hundreds place. So this 1, this is 100, 1, this 1 at units place, so this becomes 1, this is 0 and this is 1 at the units place. So 100 plus 1, this becomes 101. I can bring this 5 down. Since it's 5 at units place, this is representing a value 100, 100 and 6. So 106 is the current value. I can change it to so if I add few beads at the tens place, currently tens place is representing 0. So 1, 0, 6. If I make these 2 beads touch the bar, currently this is 100, this is 20 and this is 6. So together it makes 1, 2, 6. So 126 is the current value. Okay, I'll make it 0 again. Now how this instrument, whatever you call it, how we can use this abacus for making our mental mathematics faster. So the main crux of it is to imagine all of these beads in your mind while making calculations. Okay, How we calculate, how we add, how we multiply, I'll explain all of that in separate videos. So in this video I've shown just how any number can be represented using this abacus. Okay, and how it is used mentally is you have to just imagine these beads in your mind while making calculations. So if this is 136, right, how this is 136, 1 at hundreds place 100, 3 at tens place, this is 30, and 6 at units place, so it is 6. Total it is 136. So I'll be holding only these three threads, or these okay, let's call it as thread. This is thread 100, 10 and unit place thread. So I'll be imagining only this much in my mind. Okay, forget about this part and forget about this part. Only this part. Only these three strings I'll be holding in my head to represent this number, and further I can make additions, I can make subtractions to these. Like this, I subtracted 1, so now it is 135. Okay, so the main part of making mental maths faster with this is, see, if you are able to imagine these beads in your head, these three beads, you will be able to do anything very, very quickly mentally, up to 3-digit numbers. So it depends on how many beads you are able to hold in your head, how many beads you are able to imagine in your head.